My experience of using music started probably about 6 or 7 years ago with really early versions of the model, and have seen it evolve through version 2, version 3 coming out, and now we're seeing version 4. And seeing that evolution also match the evolution of water-sensitive urban design. In southeast Queensland, we've got some really precious receiving environments. Moreton Bay, the waterways of the region are a really important factor that underpin the prosperity of the region. People like the beaches and rivers of southeast Queensland. And to protect that is a really important objective. It's what the community want everyone to do. So we've put in place some design objectives to help protect those assets that we have, to help minimise the pollutant loads. But we can't just tell people that they need to minimise the pollutant loads. We need to actually provide some robust targets. This is how much we want you to reduce them by, and give them some tools to assess that so they know whether or not they're meeting those objectives. And music provides that. It provides a very easy to use interface that a whole broad industry can use to understand whether or not they're meeting the objectives to protect these valuable assets for us. There's been a number of projects in southeast Queensland where music's been applied at the planning and concept stage, and there's been a number of projects where it hasn't. And I think you can really see the difference. We've got some great examples in southeast Queensland. The Coomera Waters development's a standout. The North Lakes development, parts of the Bell Vista development on the Sunshine Coast. Music's really helped drive the concept design on those developments, and people are using music almost before they've started to draw road and lot layouts on their plans. When using music, some of the tools I like to use with it are eWater's river analysis package, the RAP model. Also often pull data out of music and work with it in Excel, repackage it, rearrange it, do some analyses, feed that back into music. Another model that we often use are hydraulic models. There's HEC-RAS or there's SWIM, varying other models that can help simulate other parts of other aspects of urban water management. Within my organisation, there's in the water by design team, the whole team has exposure to the model, but more significantly I think are the people that we work with. As a capacity building program, we work with the development industry and local governments across southeast Queensland, and we're seeing really big uptake of music, and we think we'll see some really strong uptake of music version 4.